How do I add my debit card to Apple Pay?
Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk you through how to add your debit card to Apple Pay. This is a simple process that should only take a few minutes and will allow you to make secure purchases with just a tap of your device.
What do you need?
To get started, you'll need a few key things: an iPhone or iPad that supports Apple Pay, a debit card from a bank that supports Apple Pay, your Apple ID signed in to iCloud.
Opening the Wallet app.
The first step to adding your debit card is to open the Wallet app on your device. The Wallet app is where you'll manage your cards and other passes for Apple Pay. Simply find the app on your home screen and tap it to open.
Adding a debit card.
Now that you've got the Wallet app open, it's time to add your card. Here are the steps to follow. 1. Tap the plus symbol or Add Card option. 2. Choose Credit or Debit Card as the card type. 3. Now you can manually enter your card details or use your device's camera to capture this information. 4. Once you've input your card details, tap Next.
Verifying your card.
After you add your card, you might have to verify it with your bank or card issuer. You may be asked to download your bank's app, receive an email, or a text message. 1. Choose the verification method that works best for you and follow the instructions provided by your bank. 2. After verification, return to Wallet and tap Next.
Start using Apple Pay.
Finally, after verifying your card with your bank, your card will be added to Apple Pay. You can now start using Apple Pay with your debit card for contactless payments in stores, within apps, or on websites that support this feature. Just remember to select your debit card when making a payment if you've added multiple cards to Apple Pay. That's it. You've successfully added your debit card to Apple Pay. This feature offers an extra layer of convenience and security for your everyday transactions. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you'll enjoy using Apple Pay.